What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So Christmas has came and went, and I'm pretty sure there's a handful of you guys out there that got a lot of things for Christmas, man. But I want to show you guys one of my favorite Christmas gifts that my wife actually got me that we can take advantage of right here on the channel, and that is the Sony ZV-1. Now, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you to my wife for actually hooking me up with the Sony ZV-1, because you know that I appreciate any and everything we get on this channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then go ahead and press all those little buttons at the bottom of the screen. That way you can be a part of helping this channel grow. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so if you're in the market for a ZV-1 right now, man, you can find this bad boy on Amazon. I'll make sure I throw a link in the description. But the price is $648 for the camera only, which is what I have. But with the accessory kit, it's going to run you about $749. Now, also keep in mind right down here, they do have a new and used section down here that you can check out, and you can find them in there, used, slightly refurbished, or whatever the case, for about $596. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the box. All right, you guys, so we'll go ahead and unbox this bad boy. But I did want to preference this portion of the video by letting you know that I do understand that this camera came out in 2020, so it is now a year old, and YouTube is very heavily saturated with a lot of coverage on this. So we'll just go through the unboxing. I won't set this thing up on camera. I'll do that off camera. And in another video, I'll come back and explain to you guys the purpose for this camera and how this camera is going to help us out right here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. So let's get right into the box really quick. So we got some branding, got a nice little picture there. And I think one of the main things I wanted to show you guys was, where is it at? This portion right here. Just some little quick information about the actual camera right here. We got a 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixels, real-time eye autofocus. We got that bokeh switch, clear voice recorder, microphone jack. You know, I just wanted you guys to see that right there. So let's go ahead and open this up, man, so we can get out of here. All right, so for those who just kind of curious, once you open it up, first things you're going to be greeted with, like always in any type of unboxing, is a bunch of manuals and registration stuff and things like that. So you can just put this off to the side and you can dig through that at a later time. Opening up this little piece right here, this little flap, you're going to have your, right here in the back, a micro, you're going to have a micro USB cable right here. You're also going to get a little wind muff to put on the camera, because it does have a built-in microphone and a horseshoe spot so that you can, you know, put this on. And down here in this little slot right here, you're going to have your battery, and this is the NP-BX1 by Sony. Just looking at a lot of videos on YouTube over the year, you do need to go ahead and get a few extra batteries. So I know I'm going to grab a few extra batteries. I'll probably go ahead and order those shortly after this video, so got to do that. So let's take that battery out. And then last but not least, you got the actual camera right here. So take that sleeve off, and this is what the camera looks like right here. It's really, really small and compact. It's very, very, got a little bit of weight to it. I like that. Having that little weight on it just kind of gives me that warm and fuzzy that, you know, it's of some quality, should I say, right? But I like what it looks like. Got some nice little buttons right here. One thing I did notice is that these buttons here are pretty small, which I'm going to have to get used to, because I do have a bigger, you know, old school DSLR, so I will have to get used to that. And one thing I will also have to get used to is this grip. It's, you know, it's a smaller grip than what my DSLR. I can like get my whole hand in a DSLR, but because this is a compact camera, I'm not trying to compare it to a DSLR. But this is what it's going to look like for you right here. Got a little swivel screen going right there. And the footprint on this bad boy is really, really small, as you can see. I got it sitting directly in the center right here. It's a very, very small little footprint. I think this is going to be a great addition to the channel. And like I said, guys, this is just a quick unboxing. I'll show you guys everything right here that came with it. This is all you're going to get if you don't get the vlogger kit right here. So you get your camera, you get your battery, you get your wind muff, and your wind muff is going to go right here. So you just take this off, and you could just slide your little wind muff in right here. Make sure I do this right. Slide your wind muff in just like that, and it's going to cover your microphone, which is right across the top there. So like I said, guys, it's just a really quick video for you guys to take a look at it, let you guys see it, so you guys can be aware that we do have one of the first real official cameras for the channel, man. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and wrap this video up here. But like I said earlier, stay tuned for another video. We'll come back, I'll get this thing set up, and we'll talk a little bit more in depth about this camera and the use and what we're going to be doing with this camera on this actual channel. All right, let's wrap it up. Now, if you did find this video to be helpful in some way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.